We talked about how at the beginning of this century, major labels made an effort to make their contracts more transparent and simpler. However, the contracts are still evolving. And as a result of internet streaming and the digital age taking shape, they're becoming even more complex. This lesson talked about how artists are paid, the royalties based on retail or wholesale, royalties being paid on third-party licenses when recordings are used in commercials, TV shows, or movies, streaming royalties, although small now, becoming a more important revenue stream as time goes on. We talked about advances, why it's important to get an advance if you can. It's important for record companies to understand how much they should pay in advances. We also talked about newer provisions in recording agreements, the 360-degree deal model, which is becoming all prevalent in our industry, where the record companies are able to participate in earnings from the artist from various revenue streams. And lastly, this is the most important time. As this digital age evolves, it's a great time for artists to build their own assets, own their own assets, own their sound recordings, own their video recordings, exploit them through all of the various internet sources they can to build that audience and grow the value of the assets of their company. And this gets back to the very point I made earlier. Instead of DIY, do it yourself, recognize that you're going to need a team. DIO, do it ourselves. Get a team that can help you build and own your own company and own your own assets and exploit them in the way that will build your business.